Good afternoon. Today I am going to be sorting out the cupboard fronts for this kitchen area. The reason, where are they? Oh, they're on bench. Yeah, I want some boards putting it back. Yesterday I didn't come with van at all. We had grandson. Now before, anyway, that's beside the point. Right, so yeah, going to be doing that today. What else am I going to do? The pump on the toilet has gone again, so I'm going to be contacting them shortly to explain the situation. That's it. That's what I'm doing. All it is basically is these, obviously the doors. This is a big one. It's going to stand upright and it goes there. It's going to house me big pan, etc, etc. Right, all you basically do is put it out, foot back. That's it. What else were I going to do today? I forgot what I'm going to do now. It's all fiddly bits, and I hate fiddly bits. Right, I did that. Sort out the toilet. Oh, inside there. I'm going to sort out that. What I'm going to attempt to do today is get as much cutting as done as, well, you know, major cutting. I've tidied up a bit, by the way. Oh, when I mentioned about the pump leaking, when Dave come, and I broke it, didn't I? It was coming from in here. So what we did, we had to take it out. There's some obviously screws there with nuts on back, so I undid all that. When we were put the pump back, Dave found out these wires were all the way around, so the actual pump, which we can't understand, was blowing instead of sucking. But we're it running, and it was filling its system earlier. We just can't weigh it up. Right, so yeah, that's coming tomorrow. The new filter. Yeah, Sandra's going to come in later. Take all these pins out. I put these up now. I haven't even checked to see how they've done, because I used that spray contact adhesive from Screwfix. So, nah, it hasn't worked, has it? Oh, but it has worked with this. Oh no, I think it has. Oh, it has. Oh, it's worked. Oh, that's a good thing. So I can actually spray these. Right, I shall see how we get on. Well, last ditch attempt to get away to Whittingham. I've got most of the do's in. That one there, it's just gonna be a blank. I can get the tall stuff in then. What a nightmare they are. Them things. Good God. You know, for lining up, if you can't see where you're lining up. Anyway, that's sad. Right, so what I've got to do today, I'm going to finish that cupboard there, put one of those clicker things on. Gas bottle, that needs fixing. This here, I'm just going to leave, forget it for the time being. Curtains, got some off my mum to go across here, you know, along the front. Blah de blah. The curtains here, well, what we're going to do is go to Screwfix and buy some of that radiator reflective stuff that they put, you know, like they put back of radiators, and cut them, you know, to the same shape as a rubber, get some Velcro, put the Velcro on. It's just basically to get to Whittingham. Obviously we've got gas so we can cook. Hopefully the filter for the pump will be here today. Now whether it comes or not, I don't know. I've just been on eBay. It hasn't even been, according to eBay, it hasn't even been dispatched. And I paid next day delivery. So they're going to get a rollicking. Yeah. Then there's tomorrow, pick up the cushions. And I might get the carpet. I don't know. It depends. I'm going to work out the money, finances. It was just nice to walk on something rather than wood while we're away. Sandra's not right keen on this idea with the curtains or no sink. Right, so I am going to crack on. I left my battery on all night. No, I haven't. Yeah, okay. That's the one job out at way. Next is the gas bottle. When we did the gas fittings and everything, I couldn't find all that needs doing now. Cut it off. Tidy. Really was a shit. I need to get away. Open, you son of a bitch. Right. These. Obviously, it's just put them where they were before. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And that's safe. That's what we did. Well, that's what Dave did. Right, I shall crack on. I'll do. I am going to attempt putting in the, you know, the white infill on the rubber. This. I have recently bought. Let's see if I can stand you up. Oh, there we go. There. Yeah. Right. This. It's a white infill that goes in between the rubber. But I purchased this from Seals Direct. I think I told you a few weeks ago. This. There. Now, apparently, in fact, glasses on. I'm not sure how this works. So I think it'll go through there, won't it? And through there. I'm not sure, you know. Wonder if it's the other way around. Well, it says something on it. No, it's just patent mark. I think it could be that way. And that, maybe, is what goes under the rubber to lift it. But which way do you go? I think the only way is to try, innit? I'm going to try and wedge the camera in the bathroom somehow. And then I can see. I don't know if this is going to work or not with camera. I've just wedged it on the sink. Right, I'm going to attempt this. I'll try and do it from outside. No, I don't even know if you can see or not. So it's trial and error. Hello. Okay. Friday. Only Preston, that's all. To a Talbot Owners Club, mate. I will do. Right. I don't know which way around to use it, like I say. So, I don't really know what I'm doing. But, apparently you put some washing up liquid around it. It's supposed to make life easier. Yeah, right. I've heard that before. Just to show you right quick. That's how it goes in, I think. Now, I'm assuming that it goes in that way, so it's when you push forward. I can't see how this works. Right, I'm going to just give it a bit of a test run. I don't know if you can see from where I've got the bloody camera. I don't understand this how it works. Well, this is hard work. You can tell him. It's actually working. It keeps popping out. Right, take it out. Let's start again. It's the actual getting this in, that's the problem. Seals down. I'm going to have to come from inside. Right, I'm going to come from inside, so you're going to see now. Oh, we did it. There we go. Right, that goes to the back. You feed it in there at this side and it pops out there. On the edge there, well, there, look, they turned up a bit. I don't know if you can see it. No, it's not going to focus on it. Anyway, they turn up at edges, so when you're actually running inside the groove, hang on, let me think. Yeah, it goes in that way. So when you're pushing, it's putting it under, and this just levels it out, if you will. Yeah, it's not a bad tool actually. Well, once I got into it, once I knew what I was doing, what, 3 minutes, that's it, tops. Right, I'm going to get me catches on and everything, and that's this whole project done.